how to fix ChatGPT reasoning model taking too long. So to fix the ChatGPT reasoning model taking too long, what you can do is open the ChatGPT app and then start a new chat, because long conversation histories force the model to reread the process massive amounts of past text, causing severe delays. Now the next thing what you can do is switch your network. Scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data for the stable network connection, as weak or congested cell data can time out or throttle the heavy data streams required by reasoning models. Now the next thing what you can do is on your Android device, you can just simply go to your phone setting, find the ChatGPT app info and then clear the cache and log back in to remove corrupted temporary data. But on your iOS device, what you have to do is just go to the existing chat app, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app, then tap delete app to confirm it, and then go to your Apple App Store and then reinstall the chat app from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.